Size Super Simple Recipes number 43, Jewelled Summer Salad. Now this is something my wife and I eat a lot during the summer. Basically what we've got is salad leaves of your choice. These are baby leaf salad, but it really doesn't matter, you can use lettuce or whatever. To that we're going to add fruit. I've got some strawberries that have been cut in half, some green grapes cut in half, red grapes cut in half, an apricot and a plum which have been diced up. All of that goes straight into there. Give that a crack of salt, a crack of pepper. Now this works because of the dressing, which is a really simple dressing, but it will bring all the flavours of the fruit. It's a lovely sweet salad. Start off with a couple of tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil. To that we want to add some wine vinegar. This is white wine vinegar, but red wine vinegar or cider vinegar would do. Malt vinegar is just too strong. Into there about a teaspoon of honey, and a good quarter to half teaspoon of mustard powder. It's a fairly classic sort of dressing for a salad. Give that a good old stir up. Pour it all over. And then toss it with a spoon. And as I say, you'll find that the vinegar and the mustard really draw the sweetness of the salad. Also, it looks great on a plate. Size super simple jewelled summer salad. Job done.